How to remove wrinkles fast. The wrinkles that you find on your face, like frown lines, which are lines between your eyebrows, and crow's feet, which are lines from the corners of the eyes, are thought to be caused by habitual facial structures. Even too much sun can cause wrinkles. If you smoke, you are more likely to develop wrinkles than a non-smoker. Smoking curbs the skin's production of collagen, which is the key part of the skin's structure. So, try this natural recipe to fight against wrinkles. Ingredients. Number 1. 2 teaspoons Vaseline. Number 2. 2 teaspoons honey. Number 3. 1 egg yolks. Number 4. 4 tablespoons of olive or almond oil. Directions. Number 1. Make the Vaseline into a liquid using a water vapor. It only takes a few minutes to make the Vaseline liquefy. Number 2. Remove from heat and other ingredients. Number 3. Mix the ingredient together until a homogeneous mass has been formed. Number 4. Apply to the skin gently while gently massaging into the skin. Number 5. Leave for 30 minutes, then remove with a wet cloth.